Does anyone have a rain cover? I mean, I would like to keep my paintwork dry if I can. And especially while I'm not driving. Maybe we can make you a rain cover from leaves. That might not be such a good idea, you know, Thomas. Wild animals like to take shelter under leaves. Ace doesn't like wild animals. Whoa! No. Oh my god! What happened there? Don't ask me. I have no idea at all. Whoa! The track is moving. We're sinking. The ground is too light and too soft. Hurry, Thomas. Push on. We must find solid ground or we'll get stuck. Keep going and don't stop. You heard what the truck said. Come on, Nia. Work harder. Full steam together, Thomas. 1, 2, 3. Go. Go, 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 go! Oh god! I caught but on. That was close. Nice going. Thank you, though. Oh no! No! Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! I don't like water either, Nia! No! Fuck! Phew. Everyone okay back there? Yes. Thanks. Remind me, Thomas, never to travel as a passenger again. I feel a lot safer when it's just on me on wheels on the road. Good thing we aren't scared, Ace? I wasn't saying I was scared. Well, I definitely was. That was scary. Yes, it was. But we do make a great team together, don't we? That's not exactly what I was saying. How can I put this?